Hi everyone, this video tutorial is about how to do unsupervised classification in Google Earth Engine. In my previous video I have explained how to do supervised classification. Today we will discuss how to do unsupervised classification. Uh, Let us the first step is to describe the study area or to determine the study area. Let us, for example, we have to do unsupervised classification for this study area. Let's select the study area. Rename. Now determine give the code for example I have to utilize set 8, then describe it by this. In my previous videos I have explained how to visualize the study area or to extract a satellite imagery of a study area. This is the same code which I have used and in one of my previous video. After that, now you have to train the data. This is the variable name dot sample. Region is ROI, region of interest, this one, and scale is 30. Special resolution, number of pixel is 5000. This code I have taken from the website developers.google.com. Similarly, if you want to determine any code if you have to determine any code or want to find any code, you can refer that website. I will give the link below this video. After that, use this command var cluster create a variable is equated with this command. This is k-means algorithm. I've used k-means algorithm, and this number determines how many clusters you want. For example, I want 10 clusters, then I will use the number 10. If I want 20, you can use 20 also. After that, just use these two commands to cluster this, and use this command map.addLayer to show the unsupervised layer. Let us run it. This is the unsupervised map. Similarly, if you want less classes, you can just write, if I want instead of 20 I want only, for example, 12 classes, then you can just recreate the classes. This is a map showing only 12 classes. After that, you can export this map by using the command .export listed in doc. This one, you can export .image to Google Drive. This command you can use to save into the drive. After saving into the drive, you can download it and you can recode it. After getting the ground truth data, you can just recode it, the classes which are misclassified. Thank you all for watching this video.